Hey guys, it's your girl Dazja Jordan. If you are new, welcome to my page. And if you are an ongoing watcher, I hope you guys enjoy this look that I have created for you guys. So today I kind of wanted to go with a soft glam type of look. You can kind of wear it as an everyday look, or you can just wear it on special occasions, whichever works for you. But I didn't want to do anything overpowering on the eyes. I also teamed up with my girl Roxy Ren. She did like a red lip, so if you guys are feeling her look, don't hesitate to go and check out her channel and her tutorial. Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contouring Palette. I'm going to use the darkest brown that they have in the light to dark palette, and I'm just going to do all my contouring with that. So I want to definitely hit my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead, all the essential areas that I just kind of want to make smaller, just about. Yeah. And then I'm just going to go ahead and again with my damp sponge, I'm just going to go ahead and work all of that into. Now I want to go back with any product that was left over on my brush from using the Summer Yum color, and I'm just going to go ahead and buff out any harsh lines. Then I'm just going to go in with the color, I believe it's called like Bellini or something like that. Yeah, it's like a very pinkish color with a little bit of sparkle to it. And then I just want to kind of pop that like into the middle of my lid, just to kind of add some transition. Now I'm gonna go in with this um, with this video. My baby decided he wanted to act up, cry, he wanted some attention. So I said, you know what? Come on, you're getting ready to be in this video with me. So hope you guys like the little glimpse of him and his big old head with all that hair. But yeah, you guys don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. I really appreciate you for watching. You guys have a good one. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you haven't already, don't forget to catch up on these videos here.